Hey y'all. So I thought it would be really cool to take you guys on a day of kind of cleaning. This is not like a deep clean with the exception of the boys' room, but it is a video really about cleaning and kind of like how I spend my downtime at home when there's things to do. It's really important for me too to get that stuff done because with me traveling for work now, I'm not home all the time. So when I'm not home, things pile up. And so when I leave, I always want to make sure things are situated, organized, purged. I actually don't have to travel for another week, but I want to be on top of my game. So my living room is a mess. My son's room is a mess. And my bedroom could be picked up and organized better, as well as our pantry. But today the focus is actually on the living room, dining room, and the boys' room. So let me know if you guys like this and just keep watching. You guys, so it's Saturday and my husband's out hanging out with his friends for Father's Day. I just filmed a video and I have to fold all of his clean laundry. Luckily, the girls actually do their own folding and putting away, so I have these two baskets. So I have my water. These I got from Costco, so I'll have a few of these. If you guys don't know, now you know. These are the bomb. And my favorite thing to watch, CNN. Alright, so now I've folded all of this laundry. This is all the boys' laundry. I know it looks crazy right now. That's the girls' laundry. I'm getting ready to go drop that off to them. I'm going to put this up and then we're going to clean up the living room. Try to keep him busy. You guys saw how messy it was. We have all these cords because we had movie night yesterday, so we had to pick all this, bring all this stuff out. But all I have to do is light that candle over there and move my tripod. I'm basically cleaning the house all day and filming it. But house looks so much better, at least the main room. By the way, speaking of candles, I always light a candle after I clean. And this candle is the pistachio ice cream candle from Bath and Body. So good. So I can't even explain it. It's dreamy though. So I'll be lighting that, and then I'm gonna move on to cooking dinner. And while dinner cooks, I'm gonna pick up. I love a clean house. And with me having been traveling the last 5 weeks, I finally got 2 weeks home. So I'm just getting caught up on stuff. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to Dollar Store and get like some storage bins to organize my pantry. I'm gonna go through a few more things in my kitchen that I never got around to. I'm handling business, so I'll check in with you guys after I make dinner. D is helping me, and he's doing such an excellent job as my sous chef. So this is our secret curry, and he's getting ready to cover it. I taught him that there's a secret ingredient, which you know the secret ingredient, don't you?
Yep,
are you gonna tell
I'm
anyone?
not gonna tell you.
Good. Okay, put it on there. And then we're gonna lower the heat and we'll set a timer and we'll be back. These boys' room is a mess. I just got done washing their sheets, which I do once a week, but look at this. We're gonna get this in order, little D. This is wrong. Look at this, you guys. Their closet, they had friends over They just totally tear stuff up when their friends over because they're so excited. So, all right. Quickly, y'all, look at this. So Rocco just had a birthday, so we just cleaned out his toy box. Here's all the Avengers men he has, and this is cleaned out. So this is what he's keeping. He plays with this all the time, and then he's been into cars lately, so he got a whole bunch of Hot Wheels. So this is what he's keeping in this little box.
Yes.
He's actually going to give this to some friends. These are some wrestling buddies that him and his brother used to play with, but they want to pass them on. And then this is trash plus this.
No, not
so
this.
The thing is, I go through their toys a lot, and I always purge because they always have way more than they need. And I notice their room gets out of control when they have too many toys. So that's a tip. All right, y'all. So just in time for dinner, Damaris and I, Junior that is, cleaned up his room. And their room was a mess. So I will show you the after. All of their, we've got to put the PlayStation back here, but all of their stuff is orderly. Washed their sheets, so that's out. Pajamas are out for after baths. Church clothes are out. They're in my room for ironing, and then their desk is situated. They have a really basic room, which I love. All of their clean clothes are put away, and then their shoes and stuff is tidy. So the nice thing too, just as another hack, is that I put essential oils in this, and it's filled with water and essential oil, and I just change the essential oils based on what my kids need. And tonight the boys need calming, soothing effects because they're a little hyper, especially Rocco. So I filled it with that and eucalyptus and lavender, and then this will start going as soon as I put them to bed so they can sleep and smell that through the night. And yeah. Thank you, little D. You've been quite the help. Oh, by the way, when I said their room was a mess, I wasn't joking. All of this is trash. Trash, 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 trash,
Everything
trash.
is trash.
And then the boys are actually giving away stuff. So this is our giveaway pile. So we're winning. Just in time. Y'all, I am so burnt. Little D, thank the Lord, he helped me get... my God, his room was a mess. They had some guests over, and when my kids play, they just play hard, and they just don't care that mommy has to come in and pick up. So he did help me so much, and we got it organized, and we purged like two garbage bags plus a box plus a whole bunch of other stuff. So that was great. I'm super tired though. I did get to my kitchen, my dining room, my living room. I'll show you. These are drying. This is just from dinner, and this is cooling before I put it in the fridge, but you know, it's livable. My office is livable. Got men on my office too, my desk. Dining room is clean. This is a room that is actually really managed by the girls. Layla actually is responsible for clearing, wiping, and vacuuming. And then, of course, my kids just did that again, but you guys saw this already. And then I just showed you guys the clip of the boys' room, but now I don't have the energy to go do my bedroom. The pantry has to wait till tomorrow because I have to get those containers I was talking about. So I think I'll film another one on Monday with, you know, the cleaning process for my bedroom, possibly my bedroom, but definitely the pantry. I also have some stuff to organize in the kitchen, so I'll be filming those things as well. But right now it's like 7 o'clock and 7 p.m. If you don't know me, there's two things that I really, really love. One is watching CNN every night. Damaris doesn't like watching CNN, so I normally wait until I'm on the road, because when I'm on the road, I'm there for like 4 or 5 days, and then I just purge or binge watch CNN, and Don Lemon is my favorite. But Damaris is out tonight, so I never want to bother him by watching CNN because I'm courteous like that. But I am going to go ahead and watch that. And the second thing I love is coffee, and I like coffee in the PM as well, so I'm actually going to make myself a cup of coffee. Kids just got out of the shower and baths. They're all ready. I just have to iron their clothes for church tomorrow, so we're pretty much good. I know what I'm wearing. I think I'm going to do my nails after I have a cup of coffee and just zone out. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these clean with me's. By the way, don't you wish that when you're watching people do time lapses and they do their cleaning that you could actually clean that fast? It's so satisfying for me. Definitely took a few hours. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll check you out on the next one. Peace.